Hello, welcome back to Intro to Calculus. This is Derivatives 24, another derivative, part 24, another derivative day. Today we're actually proving sine x, which I think is a little harder than the other ones because this is kind of one of the known ones that we kind of base everything on. But essentially, we want to use the definition of a limit, right? So our definition is limit as h approaches 0 as one of the definitions of f of x plus h minus f of x over h. And let's say sine is the function, right? So we'll have it as limit of h approaches 0 of sine x plus h minus sine of x over h. And you gotta notice here that that's actually sum and difference formulas, right? So that's actually, you can expand that to sine x cosine h plus cosine x sine h minus sine x over h. And I would just do some simplifying. So I noticed that these two terms have both a sine x here. So I'm actually going to group them together. And we're going to do sine x cosine h minus 1 plus cosine x sine h. And to set up this formula, I'm actually going to separate these two fractions from each other while still taking the limit from as h approaches 0. Now we can take the limit of each part separately, right? We can treat them as separately and then come back. And first part we got to recognize is that this sine x and this cosine x are not affected by the limit, so we can actually take that out. Sine x limit times the limit as h approaches 0 of cosine h minus 1 over h. And then plus cosine x limit as h approaches 0 of sine h over h. And these two are known limits that you should definitely know for calculus, AP calculus. But for the purpose of this video, I'll just tell you what they equal to: 0 and 1. And then these will get crossed out because you multiply by 0. And you will find out that the derivative of sine is equal to cosine. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.